Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix floating Google keyboard problem in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. You can see here it is the search apps button. When you just click on this, here it is the floating. You can see it is not just moving or any other problem is coming. How you can solve it? First, you have to open your settings, then simply you have to open apps like this, then see all 54 apps. You have to search here. You can see this G board, and then you have to type board. Friends, here you can see system settings. Come to the system settings. Here it is the keyboard. You have to click on screen keyboard. If you have select Gboard, you can see just click on Gboard. You can see here it is all these settings. Click on three dots. You can change here. You have to click on floating, languages, text correction. Here you can change your settings. This will help you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.